Guys, one of my favorite types of chicken is jerk chicken, and I'm telling you, I can't get enough of it. So today, I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to do it. Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, guys, let's go ahead and do a quick rundown of what we have. So right here, we have our chicken pieces. Now I'm doing all the pieces of chicken. I got some leg quarters here. I have a breast here, and I have some wings. So we're gonna use all pieces of chicken for jerk chicken, man. I think that's the best way to eat jerk chicken, when you have all the pieces. But again, if you don't eat that, don't do it. Cook the pieces that you like. And here we have some olive oil, some lime juice. We have some Jamaican jerk seasoning here. We have some wet jerk sauce here. And what I'm using Walker's Wood. Now, I love this stuff here. This is about the closest you're gonna get to some wet jerk seasoning. I'm telling you, this stuff is good. And I'm using the hot and spicy. They have a mild brand. You can also use the mild brand. So right here, we use some Caribbean jerk sauce. Now, if you have some jerk barbecue sauce, you could use some of that. Right here, I'm using Hunter's Caribbean jerk sauce. Now, guys, I'm using this to kind of tone down that spiciness on that, kind of balancing out that heat. Is gonna be perfect, I'm telling you. And right here, I'm having some chicken bouillon cube crushed right here. I know you ask yourself, so why are you using chicken bouillon cube? I'm using because someone told me it was a game changer, so I'm gonna use it, all right? And I'll let you guys know how it is. So let's go ahead and get to it. So this recipe is very easy, because all we're gonna do is dump all our ingredients in here. We're gonna start with our olive oil, our lime juice, our Jamaican jerk seasoning, that chicken bouillon, our Caribbean jerk sauce, and our wet jerk seasoning. And all we're gonna do now is go in with our hands, mix it all up. And guys, if you have to put any more jerk seasoning on there, feel free. I started off with like a tablespoon. I may have to use some more because I like that jerk flavor. But I just wanted to see with this many pieces of chicken that I'm using, if it's gonna be enough. And the way it's mixing up, it may be enough, we'll see. All right, I think that's gonna work for me. So we're gonna sit this in the refrigerator. We're gonna let it marinate for up to 4 hours. You can even do it overnight, it's totally up to you. I think 4 hours is gonna be enough for me, because I'm ready to get to it, because this is lunch for me. All right, so we're 4 hours in. Today we're using our Chefavor air fryer combo grill. I love this particular air fryer combo. I like the design, like I said before, my first promo in of doing this. I love it, it's real spacious. I can get all my chicken pieces in here, guys, and I'm telling you, I just like this air fryer. I'm gonna leave the link to it in the video description below. Go and check it out. But first, before we get started, we're gonna turn this baby on, and we gotta get it preheated. So over here, we're gonna hit air fryer, and we're going to have this baby on, we're gonna do it on 350. I wanna do 360, but can't do 360. We're gonna do 350. And we're gonna do it for 35 minutes. So let's get that baby preheated. All right, guys, it looks like it's time to add the food. Let's go ahead and lift our veil. And we're gonna get our chicken pieces in here. Take a look at that. Guys, I'm gonna add a little bit more of that jerk seasoning on the top, just for some added flavor. This is really optional, but it's gonna work for me. All right, and we're gonna go ahead and get this baby closed, and we're gonna let it cook, as you can see, for 35 minutes. Since it's on 350, we're gonna cook it for about 35 minutes, flipping it over midway through the cooking process, all right? All right, guys, so we're 17 minutes in. We're gonna pause this, lift up our hood. And I'm just gonna check the temperature of this thigh right here, this breast, just to see where we are temperature-wise. Yeah, we're around 115 on that thigh. That breast, I'm sorry. The thighs we're getting a little bit more closer to. We're gonna flip these over now to the other side. And guys, I may have to come back and pull these wings out a little bit earlier. We got 17 more minutes. I don't want to overcook our wings. Of course, those are smaller, so you may have to remove those first. We're gonna close this back up and let it continue cooking for the remaining 17 minutes. All right, guys, so it looks like we're done. It's saying get food. Take a look at our jerk chicken right there. Now, what I like to do is, I like to get some type of color on my skin. So I'm gonna put this on broil for a couple minutes, see if we can get us a little color, and then we're gonna come right back and we're gonna head into quality control, all right? And this is what we're looking for after we brown that top like that. That's how I want my jerk chicken to look. When they pull it off that grill, man, I want that baby to look just like this. Now I know I got me some jerk chicken. So we're gonna go ahead and put this on our cutting board, get it plated up, and we're gonna jump into quality control. And there you have it, air fried jerk chicken. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Let's jump into quality control. All right, guys, we back in here, quality control time. And you see I got Leah with me. She was adamant about doing this quality control with this Jamaican jerk chicken. And how could I say no to a face like that? It was hard. I told her it's a little spicy. You know how she was on them chicken tingles now. So we finna try this Jamaican jerk. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all this plate. I chopped it up like I like it, mine chopped up little pieces. So I'm gonna go with the breast first because I'm a breast man. So I'm gonna grab me a piece of breast. Which one you gonna go with? Wing, breast?
I'm gonna go to the breast.
Okay, yep, that's one. Some forks. Man, we gonna eat this with our hands. Y'all ready? Let's go ahead and put this in our mouth and then eat it. It's something about the flavor of jerk chicken that is amazing, man. I just love it. And that Walker Wood Jamaican season, I think I'm saying it right, Walker Wood, that's some of the best wet Jamaican jerk season or sauce you can find. I recommend using that when you make this, or if you know another one that is better than that, let me know, drop it in the comment. What you think about it?
Oh, the seasoning is very good.
Was this your first time eating jerk chicken?
That's what I think so.
So this is her first time eating jerk chicken. She didn't know what it was, but you liking it? Mm-hmm. Guys, it's a little spicy because the Walker Wood that I have, I bought the hot and spicy. They have a mild kind, but who wants to eat mild jerk chicken? We need that, that authentic, at least almost authentic jerk chicken. How would you rate this on a scale of 1 to 10?
1 to 10? 9.
9? I'm good with that. What about spiciness?
It would be like an 8.
Like an 8. It ain't gonna kill you. So an 8 is pretty good when it comes to spiciness.
Yeah, I think it was. It's spicy, but I can hold it.
None like them chicken tingles though.
No, nothing like the chicken fingers.
So guys, definitely check this out because we finna dig into this plate right here. And so until then, y'all already know who I am, y'all know who she is, and this is All Wings Everything. And remember, we not chefs, we just cook a lot. And now I'm out.
You're not out.
And we are out. Peace.